Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back to our channel. I am Samuel Ngon, and I'm happy to be here again this Monday. This is the second day of the week, ladies and gentlemen, and it's about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. It's 5 minutes to 7 here, ladies and gentlemen, and we're tuning in here to have a new session. Yesterday was Sunday, and we had a good session yesterday. We finished green, even though it wasn't a big green, but the process also was nice because trader, as you can remember, we can remind you, trading is not about the outcome, but it's most about the process. Because process is more important than your outcome. Because when you do things very well, in the long run, you're going to become a professional trader. So today again, we are here, in appointment in order to start a new session, ladies and gentlemen, and we want to welcome you once again and ask you to take a seat, because we're here to learn how to trade. Learning how to trade, here in our channel is very, very important, and it's essential because we spend time here to learn how to trade. And once you get that, you know, that skills, let me tell you, you'll be able to live with it all your life, or the rest of your life, if I can say it, and that will help you to improve your life financially. So, before we move forward, about maybe starting to analyze our trade, we want to welcome those in French since our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et aujourd'hui c'est mardi, le deuxième jour de la semaine. Je voulais dire lundi, le deuxième jour de la semaine pour nous les traders parce que nous avons commencé à trade hier. Alors aujourd'hui c'est lundi et nous allons avoir une nouvelle section. Alors, puisque notre session consiste à apprendre à trade, nous allons vous encourager et recommander à trade seulement dans le compte démo. Et cela vous empêchera de perdre beaucoup d'argent parce que le trading est une activité difficile et qui prend énormément du temps. Alors, cela vous permettra d'aller progressivement vers le but qui est devenir un trader professionnel. Alors, comme je disais, il est presque 19h ici, le temps de New York, et nous nous connectons ici afin que nous puissions passer ce 31e, si je peux le dire, phase de notre apprentissage de cette année. Alors, nous allons aussi profiter de cette opportunité pour pouvoir dire merci à tout le monde, à toute personne qui regarde notre chaîne ou qui nous assiste ou ceux qui ont décidé d'apprendre ensemble avec nous. Alors nous leur disons merci de nous avoir joints, et pour ceux qui veulent aussi nous joindre, vous pouvez le faire gratuitement, et ceux qui veulent apprendre particulièrement à trade, vous pouvez aussi nous joindre afin que tous ensemble nous puissions avoir ce skill ou bien comment dirais-je, avoir ce savoir, chercher, puisque nous sommes en train de chercher un savoir ou bien comme on dit en anglais, un skills. Voilà. Alors, nous le cherchons afin que nous puissions devenir des traders profitables. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous allons, comme d'habitude, nous avons 4 paires ici, comme vous le voyez, chez Trader. Nous avons Australie Japanese, je vais le dire en anglais parce que c'est un peu plus facile à moi. US Japanese, et GBP Japanese et Euro Japanese. Ça, c'est les 4 paires que nous avons ici dans notre écran que nous allons chercher à analyser aujourd'hui, si possible à trade. Alors, lorsque nous regardons le marché chez Trader, nous voyons que le marché était à la descente, était au rouge, mais il est en train de chercher moyen à récupérer vers le vert. C'est ça aujourd'hui. Et nous allons regarder particulièrement vers cette direction que le marché nous montre. Parce que notre préoccupation et notre objectif est de suivre la direction de la tendance. Tendance qui est ce qu'on appelle en anglais le chart. Donc, nous allons suivre cette tendance et nous allons particulièrement la direction du marché. Puisque nous ne voulons pas être contre cette direction. Voilà. Traders, we are now trying to analyze here. We see that the market came down 3 consecutive days and now it's trying to rebound here, and we're trying to see the direction of the market for today so that we might all together follow that direction, ladies and gentlemen. So that is what we're trying to do here. So I need to see the direction. I see here that is my 15-minute. If you break here, I will go long. I'm trying to see what the market is doing right now. So, watching. This is my if we break that resistance, I think I will go long, ladies and gentlemen. I'm seeing here, I'm trying to see if we can have a pattern, traders. Okay, we're watching. We're watching here to see if we're going to break. Watching. And if we break here, where is our next target? We need to check and see. I need to check our next target, ladies and gentlemen. We have our next target here. All right. Watching. Watching the breakout or the reversal. Approaching the break now. We have a break on the Euro Japanese. But when I look at I see here on Australia Japanese, I see that my 150 is closed. So I need to be careful. Euro Japanese break and US Japanese as well. I need to take a good look on the. I don't see any. All right. Watching here. I don't want to jump on the trade now because I see that it's close to my 150 simple moving average. I gotta wait a little bit. Don't want to jump on the trade because if everything was below like this one, I think I could have jumped on the trade. But since I see here that it's close to 150 simple moving and 200 moving average, I can be reluctant to get into the trade. So I'm waiting to see. Okay. We're watching traders. Let's see. Let's see. I want to enter here on the Euro Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to take it for the long. I'm waiting a little bit. I want it to pull a little bit away from the resistance so that I might enter. I haven't taken any trade. I'm watching because I wanted to take long, but the fact that the 200, the 100 and 200 are above here make me be reluctant. So I'm waiting to see if it start pulling away from the resistance here. I might now show interest on it. So let's see if we won't have any reversal. Let's see. Showing a red candle. Maybe just retest. So I'm trying to see if I can take for the long and place my stop below the 200 EMA. Let's wait a little bit and see more. Let's give more time. Watching maybe some kind of reversal. Who knows? So, but I see this chart pattern, this dotty, which might means change of direction. Also, we have this one, which is the bullish sparring top. So let's wait and see. Bullish sparring top here, bearish sparring top at this point. And also we have um, let me see this one. It looks like we have a sparring top neutral here, a long leg dotty at this point. So let's see if it start pulling far away from the resistance now. We might now react. So let's see. Je n'ai pas encore pris un trade. Trader. J'attends toujours pour voir un peu plus clair. Et voilà où le marché va se diriger tout à l'heure. Ce qui est bien avec le Forex, c'est que aujourd'hui, le marché boursier a été fermé aux États-Unis, mais le Forex plus international, ça marche. Voilà, c'est ce qui est bien. C'est ça que le Forex, c'est bien. We see now a red candle trying to come down. So let's see. Let's see if it's just a retracement or a pullback. Don't forget that we are now on the uptrend, seeing the market since 6. So we're on the uptrend. We might continue on the uptrend. Let's see if I can take long here and place my stop at the bottom of this. Took long trade. That is my first trade, and my stop gotta be below the 200 EMA, ladies and gentlemen. So I took my long trade, my first long trade. Traders, let's see. Took just one trade for the moment. If we see it keep going, now we'll have, gonna now take a different one. Let's see. Place my first trade, Euro Japanese for long. I might be wrong, traders. And my eyes is on the US Japanese as well. Let's see. Coming down. I just took only one trade. Euro Japanese for long. I'm not sure. So my eyes also on US Japanese for long as well. But I haven't get that trade. I haven't entered a trade yet. If you break that resistance here, I will enter the trade for long. If you break here, I'm going to enter the trade for long. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe got to be my first losing trade. Let's see. I just took one trade at this time, one at a time, because I'm not sure for the direction. Approaching my stop. Approaching my stop here. I enter the trade. My stop is here. Trader below the 200 EMA. Let's see. You're going to kick me out. If you kick me out now, I will start looking at the trade for the downside. Trader. So let's see. Watching. All trades, 4 trades are coming down. Approaching my stop. Trigger my stop soon. All right, I'm out of the trade with a loss, traders. That is my first losing trade. Let me see. Let me see how it's going. If it keep going down, I gotta take now the short. Let's see if we won't pull back. Keep coming down. I will go short, traders. Let's see. All right, second candle to come down. I go short, ladies and gentlemen. I go short. My trade took 4 trade for the short. Let's see. And I need to place my stopped traders. Need to place my stopped. I took 4 trade for the short. My first trade. My second one. Always placing the stop on the market. Your Japanese is powerful. Let's see what I gotta do. Watching. I lost the first trade, 1 trade. I don't know if I'm gonna lose all 4 now. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it was just a retracement. We are gonna wait for the confirmation. Let's see. See the pullback right away. Gotta stop me out of my Japanese. Japanese gonna stop me out. I'm out of Japanese. So it was just a very small pullback, ladies and gentlemen. A small retracement. Japanese already kicked me out. I was wrong. I wait the other one to remove me as well. My stop was a little bit close on US Japanese. J'ai pris 4 trades à la fois, mesdames et messieurs, et un m'a déjà enlevé. Ça, c'est mon deuxième trade que j'ai perdu. Nous allons voir si les autres vont m'enlever aussi. S'ils m'enlèvent, bon, je vais accepter. Let's see. I launched 4 trades at the same time. Already out of one. I'm out of the second one already. Traders with a loss. 2 trade already. The loss. So it's obvious that the trade is going up. So let's see. I might probably get out of the 2 other trade. Yep, that's it. Kicking me out. So I'm out of 4 trade with a loss, ladies and gentlemen. That is already how many trade? Almost 6 trade here. I can say 5 trade. Yes, I placed 5 trade, and those 5 are losing trade. Trader, this is unbelievable. Anyway, it happened. It triggered my stops. I was supposed to wait and see. but I don't wait. I need to go long now, traders. I need to go long US Japanese. I'm taking long US Japanese here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't give up. Don't give up at a long US Japanese. Took long US Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. And my stop, US Japanese, is got to be below here. It's a huge stop. It's a big stop. Got to be here. I got to go also with the um, along also GBP. My stop got to be below here. Along to trade. Same time. Watching. Already lost 5 trade. Let's see. But I haven't reached my mass loss. Let's watch and see. I'm about also to figure out if I can, in case roll Japanese is gonna work, I'll go long as well. The roll Japanese. Watching. I'm on US Japanese and GBP Japanese. If roll Japanese come down, I will go long somewhere here. Because this setup, it look good to me. Watching. I went long for roll Japanese as well. My stop gotta be here below. Took long position with 3 trades. Let's see. watching. I'm now in 3 order trade. Let's see. I might go long if Osaka Japanese cross the 200 EMA. Trader, I'm now in 3 trade again. GBP Japanese, Australia, not Australia, US Japanese, and Euro Japanese. Those are the trade I'm in now. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can go long as well on Australia Japanese. In case it break the 200 EMA. Yesterday was a good day. It was green, but today look like I'm giving back everything. Watching the upside. Trying to see if I can go long on Australian Japanese as well. Place my stop here. Let's wait and see. Let's see. I'm sorry about the background noise. I have a lot of children. Children are crying. So sorry about that. Today, trade are not taking one side. Keep going up and down, up and down. That as a result, making me losing a lot. So let's see this time, this one. Coming down again. Coming down. This is where I was trying to long Australian Japanese here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm tempted to do that, to take Australian Japanese for the long here. In case it continue down, I'll get out of the trade because I need to. That was my plan. That was my plan to long Australian Japanese at this point. I place my stop here below 150. I mean, a 50 simple moving average. Je suis maintenant dans cadre trade. And I'm holding 4 trade, the total. I'm holding 4 trade, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Holding 4 trade for the long. Australia Japanese, US Japanese, GBP Japanese, and Euro Japanese. All those trades are for longs, for the long. Let's see. The first 4 trades I took, I lost all. traders. So I already lost a lot of trades. So let's see this time if I'm going to lose again. Let's see. I'm long for trade. But my stops are a little bit bigger. Once if I break it there, I'm going to adjust my stops. Traders, watching for the break. US Japanese for break. GBP for break as well. With Japanese already break almost. Let's watch and see. For trade for long. Australia Japanese, US Japanese, GBP Japanese, and Euro Japanese. All those trades are for long. As a reminder, I already placed 4 first trade, and those I can say 5. All 5 was wrong. Traders, they were wrong. So all my first 5 trade I placed was wrong. Now this is another attempt to see. That is what sometimes happen when you place multiple trade at the same time in the same direction. But I have to do that because they are um, all those trade are directed by Japanese. When just one go up, everything goes up. Once one goes down, everything goes down. So let's see if you're gonna kick me out again on Euro Japanese approaching my stops. So let's see. If you kick me out right now again, I will not be able to take another trade in this account again. Yep. I'm gonna have to, if I need to keep trading, I'm gonna have to change the account because I'm gonna hit my max on this account. I will just remove it on the screen and look for a different account to trade with. Otherwise, I gotta stop trading like that. All right, that is another loss. I'm approaching my first trade get lost here. trigger my second trade as well. So already out of 2 trades. So let's see. Are still on the GBP, Japanese, and US Japanese. Those are the trade. I'm still there. Euro Japanese, I'm already out of Euro Japanese. I'm out of Australia Japanese with a loss. That is my how many trade already? 7 consecutive trade. The loss. So I need to see my remaining 2 trade, how they're gonna play out. The market today are not taking any direction, which is a little bit difficult to trade because you take it for long, it turn back. Take it for short, it doesn't do it. So let's see. Sometimes it happens, especially when there is no volume in the market. Maybe because US was closed today. I don't know if that's the reason why. I'm not sure. So let's see if I gotta be kicked out of the 2 remaining trade. Because when the trade doesn't hold one side, it's difficult. We call it consolidation because the trade still on this, range. It's trading on this range from here to here, here to here, and it doesn't even show a good chart patterns which you can trade on. Because if we were taking this pattern that it come from here, it go up, it come down, it go up, now you can trade it. But it's difficult, very, very difficult. It does like you want to break out, come back again, show like you want to come down, you short it, now it reverse, trade. Let's see. You mean that today trade the market today is not good? Yep. Market doesn't perform very well today. watching US Japanese and TBP. Let's see if they're going to break and keep going. US Japanese trying to break. We saw a breakout US Japanese, which is great. Let's see if you're going to hold. See the breakout US Japanese. We want to see the continuation, traders. There is a lack of volume in the market. That is why when it break, it doesn't continue, it pull back. Lack of volume. Maybe because of the holiday. I don't know. I'm still in two trade. US Japanese and GBP Japanese. See how Australia Japanese coming down with the speed. So I gotta readjust my stop here on US Japanese in case you come up there, you can kick me out. Um, GBP Japanese, my stop is there. Well placed. So let's see. Australia Japanese coming down. Je suis dans deux trades. Traders. Je suis dans GBP et GBP Japanese et US Japanese. Ils approchent mon stop. Mes stops. On va voir. Well, what? Approaching my stops. Let's see. I was on 4 trade. Now I'm in two. Two order already trigger me with a loss. So let's see. Watching. It was Japanese and GBP Japanese for long. They came close to my stop, but they look like they're reversing. Let's watch. Want to see the breakout of US Japanese in continuation. Maybe this time might be the right one. US Japanese for the break. Breakout. Watching the breakout US Japanese. You can see how trade are doing. I mean the trade they are doing now. They go down, up, down, up. They don't take any direction. They consolidate, like you see it since I've been here. See consolidation. So when any pair or trade performing like this, it doesn't take any direction. It's very very difficult to make money. You just lose it. You try to break, but it doesn't have strength to break. It will come back. It will come down again. So maybe just go to break even. trade are not doing anything, just consolidation. I'm just watching my trade here too. Want to draw attention here in this trade. This is a goal. Keep coming down. Along it from here. Along it here. And I place my stop below here. But it kicked me out. It's keep coming down. Like you have a bad news. So you can see. Keep trending down and down and down. Show how weak is the market this evening. Market is weak, very weak. So it kicked me out. I took a long position here as well. He came here, he put me in green. I thought it's gonna continue up, but he turned around and pleasant loss. Like the loss of today, I already have 7 loss. I placed 7 trade, and all the 7 trade, already losing one. This is remaining. I have 2 trade here. So if I lose these 2 trade, I gotta have a total of 9 trade I placed today, and 9 to 9. Losing 9 trade online. So I lost 7 already. Let's see these 2, what they're gonna play out, how they're gonna play. And now if I lose the 2, I will done with trading. I will reach my max loss. So which means that I'm gonna stop trading with in my account. So let's see. Because trader, you need to have a mass loss. You need to have rules. When you reach this, you spend this kind of money, you lose it, you're done. You gotta stop. Yep. You gotta stop trading. That will prevent you to keep your capital. Yep. So I'm taking a little bit a small unit macro lot, which is 0.01. So because here I'm learning how to trade. You don't need to take too much unit to learn how to trade. Even the small unit you can take my short different. So once you know how to take to see the direction of the market, you might still be good, even though you're not using a big unit or a lot of unit. You're using just a small one, fraction of those. Very simple. Once as you see the direction of the market, you can just take 10, 100, 1,000 times what you're taking right now. You'll be fine. What are you going to learn with by taking too much shares or unit? Why? It's like you gotta be like you're driving a car. You want to learn. You want to teach your son how to drive a car. You go and buy him a Ferrari to learn how to drive with. You know, nobody gonna do that because Ferrari costs a lot of money. Or Bugatti, you go and buy a Bugatti of $3-4 million to come and give your son that, hey, I want you to learn how to drive from this car. You won't give it to him because when you start learning how to drive, you make mistakes and you maybe even scratch the car, have an accident. So you don't want somebody to scratch a very expensive car. You don't want to do that because if you do it, you will pay high insurance of it. You know, so that is the point I'm making here. Learning how to drive is like learning how to trade, like we're doing right now. We're learning how to trade. You don't need to learn how to trade by taking a lot of shares or a lot of unit unless you want to make money right away. And since trading, you can't just start making money. That is why we recommend you guys to use the demo account. Because with the demo, even though you lose, you won't be a real money. Yep. Likewise also with this one. When you're learning how to trade Forex, you gotta learn with the demo, or if you have to put the real money on it, just a little bit, small money. Yep. So we're moving now. US Japanese already break. It broke here. Let's see if it will continue there. Let's see. We're gonna have a continuation. Let's see. I'm still on the 2 trade. I turned green, but I went back down. Let's see. And also, when you're learning how to trade, don't leave your job, man. Don't quit your job. Even though when you become a professional trader, you might still have your job because it's gonna help you. Yep, it's gonna help you a lot, psychologically speaking. When you quit your job earlier or you quit your job, you're going to have pressure. The pressure to make money to pay your bill with, and that is the last thing you have to do when you're a trader. I've been there, man, and know how he does. I know it. I've been there. All those mistakes, I'm telling you guys right now. All those mistakes, I made them. I made everything. I'm telling you. All those mistakes, I made them. That is why I'm telling you, preventing you that you don't have to do the same mistake like I did. Yep. You don't have to. You don't have to go through those same mistakes. But if you want, if you don't believe me, it's good, it's fine. Just go ahead and do whatever you want. Go and get experience also. You will tell other people. And yes, they told me, I didn't listen. And I went there, I saw it. Even if you even survive, because me, as I can say that I survive. Yes, I survived. That is what I'm talking. I'm talking to you guys here because I'm still there. After 5 years, I'm still training. Mean that I've survived. So let's say, ladies and gentlemen, US Japanese already break now. Want to see the continuation? We're expecting now GBP Japanese to break as well. That is what we're expecting to see. Okay, I'll be back. I'm here. I'm back. I'm watching. It was Japanese. Let's see. Because US Japan already sure that you want to keep going up. So let's see. I'm still in with GBP Japanese. It's very stressful, but I'm learning to be patient, man. I'm learning patience. Sometimes you jump into the trade, it doesn't work. It takes you too much time. And finally you lose it. So let's see. I'm in two trade. I'm in US Japanese for long and GBP Japanese. I was kicked out from Australia Japanese and from Euro Japanese. I lost 7 trade consecutively today. So I'm down, I'm in red. Let's see if those two trades gonna kick me out as well. Let's see. If they kick me out, I'm gonna take it. Watch it here. Upside, US Japanese and Australia Japanese. GBP Japanese. I need GBP Japanese to break as well, but I won't get it. With Japanese, want to go to the new high. Let's see. Watching here. US Japanese for new high. Watching. New high for the new US Japanese. When you're a trader, you gotta learn how to be patient. Patience is a good quality and a great one. So let's see. Because trading will not be always be easier or quick as you think. Sometimes you might be in a winning trade, but that take time, to do what you expect it to do. It take time, more time. But if you're anxious, if you're, how can I say, you don't have patience, you might lose that opportunity. So I'm trying here to build that confidence, that quality, which is patience. Maybe somebody would ask me, you took 0.01, which is macro lot. What are you staying like this and babysitting? It's because he hasn't triggered me. Because it hasn't kicked my stop and kick me out. If he kick me out, I'm going to take it, but he hasn't. I'm still here. So let's see. I don't take break today, traders, because trading is hard today, man. Too hard. So let's see. Wow. Look at this guy. Look at this guy here. Wow. I want to see. I want to see 4 hours. Let me see. Check it here. 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours here, which is great. I can try to go short here. Trader, go short. This one, go short. And my stop, I gotta change, put 15 minutes now to place my stop. Place my stop on top of this candle. Okay, I took a short there. Let's see. Gonna play out. Well, Japanese is going to the new high slowly. So I took a short on that one. Well, Japanese now is trying to go to the new high, but the volume is too small, as you can see. It's not much volume on the trade. That is why you see like that, because there is not much volume. So let's see if you can see a continuation with the volume. And also, I'm still here down. GBP here. I wanted him to come here above my entry point, but not. About to get out of my trade here. My stop. Hidden. Stop going down. The reverse. So I'm out of my trade. The loss again. I took it for continuation down, but it didn't work out, traders. This is also my mass loss on this one. So let's see my two trade. What they're gonna do? I close my account, that one. I'm still on two traders. You are Japanese and GBP. Japanese for long. Je suis dans deux trades. J'étais dans quatre trades. Bon, deux m'ont enlevé. Je suis resté dans deux. Les deux sont en train de se débrouiller. We see a big consolidation here, traders. He broke here, but we thought it would continue up, but there's a consolidation, as you can see here. Nothing major, traders. We can see that today the trade wasn't good, wasn't good at all. So I might go break here because I don't see any major things, So I'm out of my two trade with a small loss because things are not moving. Just see consolidation, nothing major here, traders. And I can say that all the trade I placed today was just loss on my two account. And I can say that I reached the mass loss on both. So, I mean, what can I say today? What can I take away from today's trade? I can say that, first of all, the trade didn't take any direction, particularly. This was just before 7 p.m. that this happened. This happened before 7 p.m. And I started taking trade from this part upside. Which didn't work. I take here, it come down. I take down, it come up. This came up with me. I was up here on this trade a little bit, and this one never done anything, as you can see here, going up and down, up and down, up and down. So as a result, I finished my day red, deep red. In the future, what I can say here is that maybe when there is a holiday in US, you need to be careful, because US, when they said US Japanese, Australia Japanese and all those things, they are leading by the dollars. Dollar is the master. So when the US is has holiday here, close, it might affect the international market. Yep, that is what we saw today. And when you start trading, you see big consolidation. Sorry, thing doesn't work out. It's better to stop trading. That is what we can say, because otherwise you will keep just losing money, throwing money out of the window like I did. So that is what I can say here. I can, put my this loss on the fact that lack of experience, knowing the condition of the market and trading. So you might just place some trade, 2, 3. It doesn't work, you might just stop trading. I think that I have to stop trading right now, because the market is dead. nothing move here, as you can see. It's not major things working on the market. Even during the day as well, nothing work here. You can see this happened just this evening, but during the day, you just hear something. We have a little bit volume here. So, but this evening was not good at all. So this is where we're going to stop today, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot go up to 10 p.m. like we used to go because the market, I hit my mass loss on my 2 account. I hit them. So gotta be here tomorrow again, 7 p.m. Eastern time, ladies and gentlemen. You know. So, mesdames et messieurs, aujourd'hui, les choses ne sont pas bien passées parce que le marché, je n'accuse pas le marché, mais j'accuse moi-même parce que je manque d'expérience. Il a fallu que je comprenne que les choses ne marchent pas et peut-être ne pas prendre assez de trades comme ce que j'ai pris. Tout ce je peux retenir ici. Lorsque le marché des États-Unis, peut-être l'Amérique a férié, comme aujourd'hui, il faut beaucoup faire attention parce que ça va influencer le marché international. Parce que c'est le dollar qui dirige le monde. Donc c'est ce qui s'est passé aujourd'hui. C'est pour cette raison que le marché est calme, comme nous voyons. Demain, je pense que les choses vont reprendre et nous pourrons aussi reprendre. Donc, nous nous reverrons ici demain. Nous ne pouvons pas continuer à trade parce que j'ai atteint mon summum avec le montant d'argent que je dois perdre par jour et arrêter. Alors, je ne peux plus placer un trade à présent. Nous allons parler jusqu'à 10 heures, comme d'habitude. Aujourd'hui, nous arrêtons ici. Il est 9h moins 12. Quand je vais dire 9h, je vais parler de 21h moins 12. Voilà. Donc, demain, on se revoit à 19h, temps de New York. Alors, au revoir, passez une bonne soirée, après-midi ou matinée. Bonne nuit. Nous allons nous revoir demain. Merci. Goodbye, trader.